Now we will derive the expression for the density of charge carrier's intrinsic semiconductor, or which is also called as intrinsic carrier concentration. When we are deriving the expression for this, we are taking the basic expressions for electron and hole concentrations. So which denotes the basic expression for electron concentration, which denotes the basic expression for hole concentration, N and P. But in intrinsic semiconductor, electron concentration is always equal to the hole concentration. Why the electron concentration always equal to hole concentration? Because in case of intrinsic semiconductor, one covalent bond breaking takes place, one electron and one hole will create. Suppose 10 covalent bond breaking takes place, 10 electrons and 10 holes will create. So that's why electron concentration is always equal to the hole concentration. And we are writing this, that N equal to P expression is written as N equal to P equal to Ni, N suffix I. So here where N suffix I is called as intrinsic carrier concentration. Here we are taking the multiplication to derive this expression for intrinsic carrier concentration. N into P equal to, so in the previous expression N equal to P equal to N suffix I. So N into P equal to means Ni square. So Ni square equal to, we are substituting the expression for N and P. When you substitute the expressions for N and P, we are getting the expression like this: Ni square equal to Nc into Nv into e power of minus of Ec minus Ev by kT. But in this expression, Ec minus Ev denotes the Eg, that means energy gap. We already discussed about energy gap. Energy gap is nothing but the energy gap difference between valency band and conduction band, that is called as energy gap. By substituting that Eg expression, the intrinsic carrier concentration is simply written as Ni square equal to Nc into Nv into e power of minus Eg by kT. So from this equation, the intrinsic carrier concentration is simply written like this. So which is the expression for intrinsic carrier concentration?